Sup viewers and subscribers, respect for tuning into another video, and I'm just hoping that each and every one of you is having a very peaceful and productive day. Yeah, you know the thing go already, viewers and subscribers. So people, a man was killed and a 3-year-old child and her grandfather shot and injured following an attack by gunman in Southborough, Portmore, St. Catherine on Friday evening, viewers and subscribers. The dead man has been identified as Robert Reed, otherwise called Willie Reds, a 42-year-old fruit vendor from Southborough. It is reported that around 7:10 p.m. or so, viewers and subscribers, Reed was serving customers at his fruit stall when he was pounced upon by armed men who opened fire, hitting him in the upper body, people. So you don't know, say, right, the sign name, chest, etc., head, etc., viewers and subscribers. Anyway, he fell to the ground, after which gunman fled. It was thereafter discovered that the 3-year-old and her grandfather, who were really nearby people, you understand, were also shot and injured. The grandfather sustained injuries to his left thigh and lower back, while basically the child was injured in her left shoulder, viewers and subscribers. Man, I said that John was star, that is just a tragedy, because at the end of the day, you don't know, say, you know, it's a little baby that John was star. It really, you know, the news I may tell you people, it kind of make me feel away, because to how the man them are go right now. You understand what I mean? But anyways, they were both assisted by residents who carried them to the hospital. You understand what I mean? They were being treated in stable condition. So no motive is being established for this attack yet, viewers and subscribers. And when me really looking at them thing, viewers and subscribers, me I say, John, where the country really are going with, go to, viewers and subscribers? What really are going? How the government now take them thing in consideration? And furthermore, at the end of the day, I feel like them benefit from them thing. It's not even a feel, me know them benefit from them thing. Because viewers and subscribers, if them they really want to stop crime, them could have do it, no doubt. You understand what I mean? Them could have get the necessary equipments for the police, them, etc. You understand? But as well, we all know Jamaica politicians, them government, them not really want to help the poor. You understand what I mean? Them is only for the rich, you know. So the system set and designed for the rich. So it's just a tragedy if you know, say, them little thing are going in our country. And even worse to viewers and subscribers, me I want to know, you see me? So right now, I'm not telling a lie, we definitely need divine intervention. Definitely. And this alone, that alone overall, I can really stop them thing. But anyways, people, just tell me what you think down into the comment section. You understand? Share your thoughts, share your opinion with our community viewers and subscribers. Also, remember to give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Share the video with anyone that you know would be interested in this video, viewers and subscribers. So you don't know, it's Flava Media Entertainment TV in the building. So right now I'm out. So peace, love, and unity, my people.